Welcome to Ansouis, a Provençal gem ranked among the most beautiful villages in France. Nestled in the heart of the Luberon, this medieval village offers a timeless journey through heritage, lifestyle, and unspoiled nature. Follow me as I discover its hidden treasures. Upon arrival, we are immediately charmed by the authentic character of Ansouis. Its winding streets, lined with stone houses and pastel shutters, invite you to stroll. Here, time seems to stand still, giving way to the gentle Provençal way of life. It's impossible to visit Ansouis without discovering its majestic castle. Built in the 10th century and transformed over the years, it is today a fascinating testament to Provençal history. From its terraces, you can enjoy breathtaking views of the Luberon Valley. A guided tour allows you to learn more about its architecture and the families who live there. Next door, the Saint Martin Church opens its doors to us. With its Romanesque architecture and peaceful atmosphere, it is a place of meditation and contemplation. Inside, magnificent stained glass windows illuminate the space with a soft, colorful light. Around the village, Provençal nature unfolds in all its beauty. A stroll through the vineyards and olive groves allows you to appreciate the richness of the terroir. And in summer, the lavender fields offer an unforgettable spectacle, lulled by the song of the cicadas. The small shaded squares of Ansouis are perfect for taking a break. Around a corner, you'll discover charming fountains where water flows peacefully. Here, locals enjoy gathering, chatting, and enjoying the mild Mediterranean climate. Ansouis is an enchanting escape where history and nature intertwine harmoniously. I hope you enjoyed this visit. Don't hesitate to subscribe and like the video for more discoveries in Provence. See you soon for another getaway.